Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're looking to install the Netflix Kodi Addon on your FireStick, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to get Netflix running inside Kodi on your FireStick. Let's get started. Section 1. Prerequisites. Before we dive in, there are a couple things you'll need to have ready. Kodi installed on your FireStick, a Netflix subscription, a mouse toggle app. If you haven't installed Kodi yet, check out my tutorial linked in the description below. Section 2. Enable unknown sources. First, we need to make sure that Kodi allows installation from unknown sources. Open Kodi. Go to Settings. Click on System. Scroll down to Add-ons. Toggle on Unknown Sources. Hit Yes when prompted. This lets you install third-party add-ons like Netflix. Section 3. Install the repo. Now, let's install the repository that contains the Netflix add-on. Go back to Kodi Settings. Click File Manager. Select Add Source. Click and enter this URL. Name it something like Netflix Repo and click OK. That adds a repository we need to install the add-on. Section 4. Install the add-on. Let's install the Netflix add-on now. Go back to the main Kodi menu. Click Add-ons. Hit the open box icon in the top left. Select Netflix Repo. Choose the zip file inside. Wait for the notification. Castanho IT Repository installed. Then click Install from Repository. Choose Castanho IT Repository. Go to Video Add-on, select Netflix, click Install. Confirm any additional add-ons if prompted. It may take a minute or two, but once it's done, you'll see the Netflix add-on under your video add-ons. Conclusion. And there you have it. Netflix running inside Kodi on your FireStick. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides. Got questions or ran into any issues? Drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streaming.